Now it's time to wash our snow crab. We're gonna open this up and transfer it to a metal bowl, the mesh strainer. And when the snow crab is first opened up, it can have a stronger smell, so rinsing it will help reduce the smell. And under cold running water, we're gonna break up the leg meat and feel for any shells. Remove any shells you might find. We're gonna break up the meat while rinsing the crab. We're gonna change the water at least 3 times. Now we've broken up the leg meat and rinsed it a few times so the smell has reduced, and we're ready to squeeze the excess water out before we mix mayonnaise in with it. Now after we've washed the snow crab, we're going to squeeze the excess water out of it before mixing the mayonnaise in. And we're just going to use a cotton hand towel and take a small amount of snow crab, place it in the towel and wrap the towel around it, and just squeeze the excess water out. And we'll transfer it back to the bowl. We're going to do this with all the snow crab, and then we will mix mayonnaise in with it. And then we're going to want to break up the snow crab too before we mix up the mayo in with it. We also want to feel for any small shell slivers. There's our snow crab salad mix ready to mix some mayonnaise in. We're going to be using a QP mayonnaise, a Japanese mayonnaise for this. We're going to be using about 400 grams for this. And once we add the mayonnaise, we're just going to mix very well. And once we've mixed the mayonnaise in with the snow crab, we can transfer it to a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap for storage in the fridge. And there's our completed snow crab salad mix. We'll transfer the snow crab salad mix to a container and cover it with plastic wrap before we transfer it to a fridge for storage.